This is Andy Chambers. Thank you for joining me for today's update. Well, the Dow is still very strong and there are no signs of a top. The next upside target is 15,000. We see potential for a rally to 15,500 or 16,000. There are layers of support at 13,650, 13,300, 12,470, and 12,000. American Express posted an upside breakout from a long sideways trading range. The next targets for AXP are 70 and 75. A break of support at 53 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Baker Hughes has a higher low bottom setup. If the pattern holds, we see the potential for a rally to 60 or higher. A monthly close below 39.44 would void the higher low bottom setup. Despite a fairly poor month in February, we still like the upside potential in John Deere. The current target is 105. The initial hurdle for the bears is last year's low of 69.51. Key support lies at the 2011 low just below 60. GE had another strong month in February. The current upside target for GE is 30. A monthly close below the November low of 1987 would put the bullish outlook on hold. IBM was very bullish from 2009 until early last year. It's been going sideways since then. Sideways trading after a strong bull move usually yields to a further advance. The next target for IBM is 225. A monthly close below 181.85 would put the bullish outlook on hold. McDonald's is another stock that's been in a strong bull trend. After a pause and a pullback, it now has a higher low bottom setup. The next upside target for McDonald's is 115. A monthly close below the November low of 83.31 would void the higher low bottom setup. Norfolk Southern was in a strong bull trend from 2009 until mid-2011. After going sideways for a year and a half, it could be poised for a major breakout. Let me say that again, major breakout. The next targets are 80, 90, and 100. Key support lies at the November low of 56.05. Philip Morris was in a strong bull trend. After going sideways for a year, it looks like it's ready for a further advance. The next target for Philip Morris is 110. A monthly close below 82 would put the bullish outlook on hold. AT&T is another stock with a higher low bottom setup. The next targets for AT&T are 40, 45, and 50. A monthly close below 32.70 would void the higher low bottom setup. UNH has been in a strong bull trend. The recent pause is expected to yield to a further advance. The next target for UNH is 65. A monthly close below the January low of 51.36 would put the bullish outlook on hold. A monthly close below the 2011 low of 41.27 would break the pattern of higher highs and higher lows on the monthly chart. After a 7-month pause, Verizon appears to be ready to resume the bull trend. The next targets for Verizon are 55 and 60. A break of support at the November low of 40.51 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Recent trading suggests that XLE could be ready for a further advance. The next targets for XLE are 90 and 100. A close below the November low of 67.77 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Key support lies at the 2011 low of 54.26. XLU has a higher low bottom setup. The next targets for XLU are 41 and 44. A break of support at the November low of 33.85 would put the bullish outlook on hold. ExxonMobil broke through flat resistance in September. The pullback to the breakout point is normal. A further advance is expected. The next targets for XOM are 100 and 110. The initial hurdle for the bears is last year's low of 77.13. Key support lies at the 2011 low of 67.03. Well, that's the last chart for today. We've been looking at monthly charts. Monthly setups take time to develop. If you buy options on any of these stocks, please buy plenty of time. Thank you for your time and attention. Good luck and good trading.